Hey people, how you doing? Matty D here of A1 Solutions Group. Today's video real quick is about collections, the truth about collections and why you should never pay them, and also why you're not legally obligated to. This is something I learned, I've heard about actually, first time I would say a couple years ago, and I wasn't sure about it, because I've had stuff, in my past, stuff goes to collections, they call you, and they get all information, and then they tell you, this is for what account you have, blah blah blah, and you're like, crap, I'm not gonna pay it, or they hound you. I've had a credit card years ago when I was in my 20s, and it was over $1,000 or something. My guy was in college and he went to collections, and the guy was like threatening me basically and saying like, you better pay this, blah blah blah. First thing I want to say about collections, and the dumb thing was I ended up paying it off because I got a refund check from financial aid at the time. But first off, if you're dealing with collectors, one, don't believe their bullshit things. It's a lie and all this other stuff. Two, comes to collections, you don't have to pay them. Here's why. You're not legally obligated, because it's like this. If you owe money to, for example, me, let's say you owe me $1,000, right? And time goes on and I can't get I can't get any money out of you. Then all of a sudden, let's say a friend of mine, John, comes in and nowhere, calls you up and goes, yo, you know $1,000 you owe Matt? You'd be like, yeah, now you owe it to me. You'd be like, hold up, who are you? Where'd you come from? What are you talking about? That's what it is. What collections do, they buy the debt from your original creditor, and then they own it. And then now you owe money to them. Here's how they get you, though. They get you when they call you and say, is this so-and-so? What are the last words of your social? Blah, blah, blah. Once they verified it over a phone, over the phone, and they got on recording, you now are obligated to pay them, and it's all this stuff. That's how it works. Not only that, but if you owe someone else $1,000, what they do is they buy the debt from the creditor for like $200 or whatever. Then they come at you for the full grand, and if you pay it off, you just help them make $800. And think about this. You're paying a debt to somebody that you never signed a contract for. How does it make sense that if you owe money to someone else, to ABC Corporation, and then some other company calls you and say, now you owe money to us? Think about it, people. Just think about it. This is what like when I first learned this, I was like, are you kidding me? Someone else can buy debt, and now I owe them money? That's crap. So the other thing too with the collections is that if you do end up paying them, which you don't have to, what happens is if you pay off the account and everything else, yeah, you just pay it off. But on your credit report, it stays on there for 5 years, or whatever the case may be, and it has a negative impact on your score. So yeah, it shows you paid. The problem is when the lender looks this up, they say, oh, you have a whole bunch of stuff in the collection. If you paid it, your score drops. So then if you try disputing all that stuff, it makes it a problem. So if you have stuff in collections, don't pay them. You don't owe them any money. You don't owe anything. You don't talk to them. Whatever, man. Because think about it. You sign a contract with the car loan with some car dealers down the street. It goes, and all of a sudden it goes in collections. You don't owe them money. No, pay the creditor off, not the collector, because they don't care about you, and they'll try and use anything in the book. They lie and all that stuff. So hope this helps. Subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell, so you can get updates. Every time you upload the video and go live. Please share this with someone else you think you may get value from this. Questions, hit us up. You can call me directly in the description below. Talk to you soon. Peace.